Good morning, Steve with CCI, and today's Feature Friday. I wanted to show you how to manage overtime. So one of the things that is commonly happens in laundries that close, let's say at 11 p.m., is you have customers sneak in at 10:45 and throw a load of laundry in, and now your attendants are stuck in the store having to wait for that customer to wash, then dry, fold, and get out. And so in those examples, you really wish you had a way to prevent machines from being started after your last wash period. I'm going to show you how to do that. So I'm going to log into my test account here for an example, and you are going to go over to the Setup tab, and under this very first submenu is called Pricing and Features. And the first thing we need to do is select an equipment type. So you need to choose which equipment you want to stop and start at a certain time of the day. So you have to do this for each type. So if you have 4 different equipment types, maybe 20s, 30s, 40s, and 75s, you'll need to do this for each of those equipment types. I'm just going to choose a sample equipment type that we have in our demo here. And then under schedule, we're going to choose features. And I have multiple groups set up. So just for this example, I'm going to choose this location group here. And you'll see that our default setting is that the machines start allowed is always on. But if I wanted to change that, I could go in and say Sundays starting at 10 p.m. to, let's just say, Sunday at 11:59 p.m. So just to get them closed, we're going to uncheck machine start allowed and click saved. And what we have done here is that normally the machines are allowed, but every Sunday starting at 10 p.m. to 11:59, the machine is not allowed, so nobody can start that machine. And I'll repeat this for every day of the week that I want to stop allowing this washer type to accept bends. So if you have 4 equipment types, you'll need to do this for every day of the week for each equipment type. And so now if a customer walks in, they will not be able to start machines. Your staff will be able to get out on time, and you'll be able to maintain the hours of operation that you intend to. Great convenience, a great way to not have your staff make a judgment call of whether or not a customer should be able to start a machine after hours. It allows you to manage your time, your payroll, and your costs. So that is scheduled feature for machine start allowed. Give it a try or give us a call and we'll help you set it up.